Fix try again later will restrict certain activity to protect our community problem on Instagram. If you are receiving such messages while using certain feature on Instagram, nothing to worry about. In this video, we will solve this issue in very easy steps. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly go to settings and activity from your profile. Scroll below until you see help and then click on report a problem. Once you click on it, you will see the interface or briefly explain what happened or what's not working. There you need to explain what exactly happened and then even upload a photo by clicking on upload, and it will take you to your file section and just click on the screenshot which you took earlier. After this, you need to click on send and Instagram will shortly reply to your this problem and fix it. So that's all. That is how easily you can fix the issue of try again later where restrict certain activity to protect our community problem on Instagram. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.